Hey guys, it's Lanie and welcome back to another video. Okay, so today I figured I'd do like some sort of a makeup look. I got a lot of new makeup for Christmas and stuff, so I figured, you know, since I don't ever film videos, I'd do them right now. Okay, so I'm going to be filling my brows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Taupe. So I'm not going to like carve out my brows just because I want to keep it like super grungy looking. I'm going to start off with just this really fluffy brush. I'm going to go in with the Airspun powder. I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette right here. I'm going to go in with the shade Hush Hush. It's like a nice transition shade. So now I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with maybe Sparks in the same palette, maybe mixed in with a little bit of Rockstar. And instead of using that same brush, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild brush, the blending brush. It's got some stuff on it. And I'm just going to pack this, not blending it at all. Make sure my phone is still filming. Okay, so I'm going to use this Real Techniques brush. It is the base shadow brush. Now I'm going to go in with the slightest bit of Sparks, like just about that much. Not even. And then I feel like this looks crazy. Going in with Mystic, which is the darkest matte berry shade, and I'm putting that on the outer lid. So now I'm going back in with this Real Techniques brush and blending lightly on the edges. Okay, so now I'm going to take this brush, it's kind of like a dome pencil brush, and I'm going to go in with, I think, the shade Ballsy from this, and just pack it on the brush really good, and then put that on, and then over it I'm going to go in with this Morphe palette, the 9C, I think, and I'm going in with Purple Rain. What I'm going to do is I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, just because it's like sort of like coverage, and I'm just putting like that much underneath my eyes and then just a little bit right there, and that's it, honestly. So now that I've blended out that concealer, lightly sort of cleaned up this area. See, I messed this side up. This was supposed to be the good eye. Okay, so now I'm going in with this brush and I'm just gonna literally like. So I went ahead and I added some Hoola bronzer and then some They're Real mascara. So now going in with the prize of the show, the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Emrezi, the highlighter. But this is what it looks like. Super pretty. I love it. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I'm sorry that I really don't post all that much. I'm really going to work on doing it. You know, I'm really going to try this year to actually post more. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment on video suggestions because I'm always looking for them. And stay tuned.